Ebyaba mu rushtama rw'ishengyero rizoba urwaba rukurirwe Speaker w'ishengyero Right Honorable Anita Among. Abany'eishengyero nibajanga Gavumenti eshemerire eyongere kuzanzaza amashanyarazi ombyanga byona chwero kuzibira abantu okushisha eby'obuhangwa barukuronda enku z'okutekyesa.
Trees, so let's give incentive on the cooking gas so that everybody will be able to afford. And as we said before, we need to act as an example. I want to hear that Honorable Macho has planted a forest of trees.
I want to offer some information that in addition to planting trees, which we should, we can also plant things that protect the environment, but at the same time secure our food security. Through my researches, I've discovered that many violent conflicts that took place in Africa for the last 20 years are a result of poor management of environment and natural resources.
Abany'eishengyero baashaba batura okutamana mu kukuuma eby'obuhangwa n'okubyara emiti omu byanga byabo.
Obuhangwa bwaitu obwa Uganda n'okukira munonga tukaba twine ebibira bingi, twine enyanja, twine emigyera kandi ensi yaitu eri nungi. Konka obwa hati tugenzire twabitahamu byona, ebibira byatemwa, emigyera yatahamwa bakwihamu omushenyi n'ebindi.
Emiti tukubyara egi tubyara emiti yona ey'embaho, ey'ebijuma, fruit trees nk'emiyembe, emicungwa, avocados n'ebindi. N'emiti yakare yitu yakare emisisa, emisavu emukumanya yitu yakare.
Banimanya ba airlights nicyo tukizireyo okushisha obwerere bwensi. Konka nyena nkugambire ngo ntuza kushashura nyena ngo abampurikizi imwe abanyankore nabahe barukwata TV West mumanye ngo ebitukozere tukashisha ebisharara, tukashisha emiti, tukashisha ebibungo ntuza kubishashura.
Okurugirira ha World Wildlife Fund buri dakiika emitasha tunamukaga netemwa okwetoorora ensi yona kandi ebibira birikuhika miliyoni 18 n'emitwaro 7 nabyo nibitemwa buri mwaka okwetoorora ensi yona. Gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.